Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video I'm going to show you how you can use the CapCut on PC. So CapCut cannot only be used on mobile. For those of you who don't know, you can directly download the application on the Google or on the Microsoft Store, and after you download it you can open the apps. So you can log into your account if you have account, but if you haven't an account, you can sign up and just click on new project to make a project this way. So you can import your videos, audios, or just photos. Just click import on the media, select your photos, videos, or audio that you want to edit, and to edit the clip you can just drag, right. So here I think it's the base app because we can do everything to editing the videos as a pro. You can add the audio, text, stickers, effect, transition, filters. You can split the clip, you can mirror the clip, you can rotate the clip, you can just for the position and size, you can remove the background, and then you can add masking, add the animation, adjustment, and etc. So after you finish editing the video, you can click the export button. Alright, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.